I'm Karen.
And I'm Carrie.
We had to think very carefully of what we wanted to go here on this beautiful piece of property. We wanted to make sure that whatever we built would complement the natural beauty of the area.
And we were looking for a partner to help us create our vision.
Well, it was a little stressful at times, but we were all in and getting started, so we decided to plunge into it and take a chance.
We built 3 other times, so we had a pretty good idea of what some of the challenges could be or would be. We were really, again, looking for someone that we could work together with was really important to us.
But also someone that could take the lead in it.
It changed in a way that we were anticipating. We had our families growing, we have grandchildren, we were looking for somewhere to have more space and sometimes maybe some away time. It really changed in how we enjoy the property up here. It's made a big difference in what we're able to do, even as far as having guests and friends up for extended stays, those sorts of things. So it's been a real positive change for us and our lifestyle.
The vision that we had, you guys took that lead and made this beautiful Scandinavian sort of type of cottage, which is what we had kind of envisioned too. We wanted something that had a cozy feel to it, that wasn't too large, but yet had clean lines and had natural beauty. So we think you guys did a really good job with that.
I think the simplicity of working with you was really key. You were very good at picking up what we were communicating or trying to communicate. And because of that, it was a really easy, simple process for us.
It was actually very stress-free for us. And we were actually kind of amazed at how quickly, I think they broke ground in November. And by mid-August, we were moving into our cottage. So it was great.
Do your homework. The better your vision is, the better the result's going to be. So if you can go in with at least some part of a plan and then look for someone that you can work with and that you feel is compatible in the type of build and the type of design that you're looking for.
You have to be able to trust in their expertise and their professionalism. That's why we say do your homework and make sure you find the right partner. It was exciting. Every time we came, something new was happening. It was great to see the cottage going up before our eyes.
The communication you had was so concise, so clear. There were photo updates, progress updates, all of those sorts of things, so that actually when we came here, we were really just physically seeing what we had seen digitally, per se. That part was really exceptional for our experience. In reality, there is a minimal amount of problems or issues that arose. As I said before, the communication was very key. Creating the expectations realistically were also very key. And when something was off, which there's always going to be something that there's beyond someone's control, everyone was open and responsive. It was easy to discuss things and look at different options. And it was quick, which was also very beneficial.
We have nothing but good things to say about Pine Creek Homes. They were very easy to work with. They were very professional. We leaned on them quite a bit for their expertise. And the design team was exceptional. They came to us with lots of really good ideas that I loved as soon as I looked at them. And I think they took our vision and kind of ran with it.
Every contact that we had with anyone at Pine Creek Homes, from the people that we had to pay the bills, to the people that designed it, to the people that built it, and the people that are continually being involved in coming back and doing the odd little touch-up or doing all those sorts of things, have been super responsive, super friendly, super professional, and it was just a very positive experience.
Making memories with our family and our friends. As Carrie said, it's changed the way we use our property out here. We have grandchildren that are getting older every year and love to come here with us, so it's just an extra space where we can, sometimes Carrie and I like to get away from all the hubbub, but Also, we've had friends and family. We had family from Vancouver come and stay with us for a week and a half, and they loved it.
I think really just taking time to enjoy the property and what it adds. One of our visions and one of the things that Pine Creek helped us with was to make it a very simplistic design, sophisticated but simplistic, with a nod to it being very maintenance-free. And so we're looking forward to coming up and just enjoying the property and not necessarily having some sort of must-do project every time we come.